Today is a day of commemoration and a day of celebration. Today we commemorate and celebrate Fiji. Let's all put our hands together for our wonderful list.
At the outset, I would like to commend the organizing committee in the Western Division for organizing this celebration, and really in a different way where we can go and touch hearts of our people. I think I've been in Western Division for quite long. We used to have grand celebration at the ground. Sometimes we had some time to come and visit our elderly people and children, but this is something new for Division, and I would like to thank the organizing committee for thinking and planning in this manner so that we can go and touch the hearts and minds of our people. It is indeed a privilege and a great pleasure for me to be here today. It is the time again when we celebrate our independence as a nation. This year, the Fiji Day celebration is held today, Friday, the 9th October 2015. Celebrations have also been organized in other divisions as we are united in celebrating Fiji's achievement over the years. This year, Fiji celebrates its 45th birthday. While we have achieved so much as a nation, the government is very much mindful that we can achieve much more if we can work together as a united front. The theme for this year's Fiji Day celebration is Togetherness in Harmony for a Prosperous Fiji. The theme is dedicated to celebrating our achievements and promoting our hope for a future where all ethnic groups can work together for a common goal of raising Fiji's status globally. The need for individuals to rise above their differences and focus on what we have in common and what united us in the first place is this land which most of us have called home, Fiji. While it focuses on our past achievements and present ones, it also accounts for our future possibilities and future hopes. I know that most of you residing in the home had contributed to Fiji's past development as a nation and also its achievement. Some have suggested that Fiji should be proud of its resilient nature, that despite difficulties encountered over 45 years as an independent nation, we have continued to survive. This is thanks to the strong will of the Fijian people. We all have contributed in some ways to the development of this beautiful country of ours, and you are part of it. And for that, government is truly thankful. I'm here representing the government of the day to ensure that you are part of the celebration. While you may not have had the opportunity to visit other centers of celebration, government has not forgotten you. I would like to reiterate to each of you today that government cares for your well-being. It is with that thinking that government has invited ministers to be part of the visitation programs to homes and to special schools because you do matter. As such, government's assistance to the elderly includes our current programs and services for social protection for older persons, such as the bus fare concession and the recent social pension scheme for our older persons 70 years and above that have never been on any scheme. As alluded to earlier, that Fiji Day is about the future as well as reflecting back on the past. It is why we wish to commend all senior citizens at this home and those in other parts of the country for your dedication despite odds and challenges you may have faced in the past. Fiji is what it is today because of their tireless contribution and efforts that each of you have contributed to the development of this country. We all owe senior citizens our respect and gratitude as individuals. To those of you staying here at this home, this is an occasion to recognize the valuable contribution you have made. We honor and respect the good work you have contributed to Fiji. Through this small gesture of appreciation, we would like to express our gratitude to you for all your hard work, dedication, and past commitments. Also, to the management and staff of the home, I must take this opportunity to say thank you on behalf of the government. The government is well aware of the important role that each of you play in guiding and supporting our senior citizens on a daily basis. This is not an easy task, and government is truly appreciative of the role that you play in looking after our senior citizens. Thank you for your patience, smile, helping hand, listening ears, shoulder to cry on, and sometimes having to go the extra mile in caring them. The gift presented here to you today is not sufficient in comparison to the care provided to those at the homes, and for that, government is truly thankful. In closing, I thank you again for allowing me to spend time with you and also allowing me to share my thoughts. It has meant a lot for me. Thank you. May you all have an enjoyable Fiji Day celebration. Thank you and Vinaka.
Some more.
Okay. Right.
Celebrating Fiji Day with a difference. In a special way, with special people.
Sit. 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 Sit.